Good afternoon, lords and ladies. I must say today is a fabulous day. It is such a fabulous day today that I am enjoying a glass of tawny port. To all the earls and the dukes and the duchess, if you are holding cryptocurrency today, you need to be celebrating. Cheers. Awesome. Tawny port. See that? Celebrating, guys. Why are we celebrating today? We're celebrating today because, number one, regulators have now given trading systems, Wall Street, the green light in order to trade cryptocurrency on the market. What does that mean for us? Well, let's put on our thinking caps. Thinking cap. Okay, basically, people, what that means is that Bitcoin will now be traded on the public stock exchange. Futures. So basically you'll be able to bet on the price of Bitcoin without even buying it. So let's just say that they predict that Bitcoin is going to go to $40,000 by the middle of the year. If it hits $40,000, and I'm sure it's going to do well, if you bet that it will hit $40,000 in the future and it goes beyond that, you don't get the gains. You only get up to the $40,000. Now, if you buy 5, 10, 15, 100 packages of whatever, however they're going to package this thing up and put it out there, you can earn returns on the future price of Bitcoin without even purchasing Bitcoin. Now, what is that going to do for the price of Bitcoin? It is going to make it skyrocket. Did you get that? It's going to make the price go up, 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 up. What is that going to do for the other coins? Well, look at CoinMarketCap and you'll see the prices of all the coins are going up. The other thing that was revealed today is that McDonald's in 2018 will start accepting Bitcoin for payments. Now, I don't know how many people are going to use their Bitcoin to make purchases of Big Macs and quarter pounder with cheeses, but that's good news, people. Mass adoption. Traditional money is now going to be creeping into the cryptocurrency sphere. Check this out. We just got a glimpse, this is what the article is saying, of how Bitcoin futures will work. Well, let's find out how Bitcoin futures are going to work. Check this out. CME Group, one of the largest exchanges in the world, announced last week it will roll out a Bitcoin futures contract in the fourth quarter. That's this quarter, not next quarter, this quarter. The announcement has generated a lot of buzz on Wall Street and sparked a big rally in the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin climbed from about 6,100 on October 30th, the day before the announcement, to more than 7,000 November 7th. Now we're already past all of that. We're in December 1st. You already see the price. If you're following cryptocurrency, you already know what the price is. It's already beyond $10,000 and change. Futures will allow two parties to exchange an asset at a specified price at an agreed upon date in the future. And the future looks bright, folks. It's looking bright. Keep your thinking caps on. Okay. Futures have been around since the late 19th century. In some cases, when a futures contract settles, the buyer of the contract can receive their payment in the product itself. a barrel of oil, or cash? The latter are referred to as cash settled returns. CME's Bitcoin futures will settle in cash, not oil, not beaver pellets, cash. You can read the full explainer on Bitcoin futures here. We'll do that in another video. As futures get ready for trading, CME this week sent out notes setting out how the Bitcoin futures will work. Here's what you need to know. Each contract is composed of 5 Bitcoins. Did you hear that? 5 Bitcoins. I don't think you heard that. Hold on. Five Bitcoins, Governor. Each contract will have 5 Bitcoins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each tick, the minimum function will be $5 per Bitcoin, amounting to $25 per contract. This means that every time the contract moves by the smallest increment, a trader will gain or lose $25 per contract they hold. Bitcoin futures will trade on CME Global and CME Clearport from 5 p.m. to 4 p.m. Central Time, Sunday to Friday. The long trading hours are typical of future contracts that are traded electronically. Everybody's moving into the cryptocurrency electronic stages of this whole thing. This is going to be marvelous, people. Marvelous. For all of those who have gotten in the Bitcoin sphere in the very beginning, that is us, Main Street, the individuals who didn't wait for cryptocurrency to become popular. We are the ones who will benefit the most from this mass adoption. Now, if you got $100 million or 2, 3, 20, I don't know, whatever millions that you want to invest, yeah, you're going to make a lot of money. But for the little guy, the guy like us, the guys who've been working hard, 9 to 5, having to punch in and punch out, doing all that stuff, guess what? We run things now. Thinking cap, people. Thinking cap. Keep them on. There is a spot position limit of 1,000 contracts. Future contracts always have limits on the number of contracts one person or entity owns. This prevents someone from being able to corner the market. Now, a lot of people are not going to be satisfied with just having futures. What's going to happen is you're going to get those individuals who want to get in on the cryptocurrency space. They're hungry. They hear about all the money that's being made. And guess what they're going to do? They're going to get on the exchanges like Cryptopia and all the other exchanges, and they're going to start spending their money because they're going to see the gains. So what does that mean? That means the price continues to go up. And as the price goes up, guess what? Electroneum. Electroneum. That's our coin. It's going to go up. And when you sell Electroneum, guess what you get? Bitcoin. Thinking cap, people, keep them on. Bitcoin futures will have a price limit of 20% above or below the prior settlement price. Price settlement will be based on the Bitcoin reference rate or daily reference rate of the US dollar price of 1 Bitcoin as of 4 p.m. London time. I'm going to put the link. You can read the article. You can click on all the little gobbledygooks and see how everything is going to work. I'm just passing on the information, guys. Thinking cap. Keep them on. It's time to make